Hey guys, I just wanted to tell you what this is all about. Um, this all started with me thinking what to do in quarantine times. There's not much to do, you have to stay home. Fortunately, though, Czech is not that bad with all this situation and coronavirus, so we can travel pretty much freely across the whole Czech Republic. So this is when I came to my idea, and that is that I'm gonna travel to 10 destinations which you choose across the whole Czech Republic, so you can see all the beautiful parts of Czech. And I'm gonna do it with like a voting stuff. So every time there's a video, at the end there's gonna be like a vote for next location, so you can participate with me and you can vote for whatever location you wanna see next. So for the first one, I'm actually gonna start right here. This is my home, and I want to show you how beautiful it is and how much I love it here. So I'll show you best the best places from my home. So because this is my home, I'm just gonna travel around freely, and then go home and recharge batteries and stuff. But for the next 9 locations or so, I'm probably gonna do like a hike trip, with my backpack and probably sleep a few nights there. So that's gonna be that kind of style, like follow along, and I'm gonna do some hiking, probably in nature, or maybe even cities if you want to see some cities. So let's take a vote, okay? So do you wanna see this location, or do you prefer to see this location? Okay, let me actually tell you how to vote because it's pretty simple. Just go down in the comment section and type in the name of the location you like better, and 3 days after this video is posted or any other video is posted, I'm gonna choose the winning location. So the video with more comments is gonna win, and it's gonna be my next location. And for the filming, I'm gonna be using the GoPro that I'm currently using to film this footage, so I cannot really show it, and my lovely drone right here, Mavic Air. So it should be really good because this thing is awesome. I love it. And like I said, this video is gonna be from my home, from the nature around me that I really enjoy and love. So if you like my idea or you just want to support me, drop the like, it helps a lot, and let's jump right into it. mostly wanted to make this video and this series, because I feel really bored in the quarantine, and I feel like I need to start doing something, something productive. Actually, move towards my dream of being travel photographer. So I think this is a great start because I cannot really travel away from Czech Republic, but I can take you guys to the beautiful places that we have here. And I think it will also show me that I really underrate Czech Republic because like it's classic for me. So whenever I go somewhere else, it's like amazing and stuff, and then I came home and it's boring. But it's not really like that because maybe some of you will love it so much because it's different for you. So I just want to remind myself that Czech Republic is also a really pretty place and that I should be grateful for living here. Because, I mean, look at that.